Hi, in this video I would like to talk about how we can elevate ourselves to get out of a situation of deep despair and a lot of negativity into a position where we have a positive mindset again and we have positive expectations about tomorrow. So stick around, this is going to become interesting. As I talk, I would like you to see yourself in me. As I explain the feelings that I have gone through the last couple of years, I would also like you to think back on your life and how that has been for you. Now, the last couple of years have been quite trying and quite a challenge for us. There's been a lot of stuff that has happened, some within our control and some not. But that's life. Whenever you get to what in tarot is known as a tower moment, where you look around yourself and you look at your life, and it is as if everything is just tumbling apart, falling to pieces. You go into despair, you go into this deep sense of, this deep state of negativity. You think to yourself, yesterday looked black, but today is totally worse. How can that be? And just when you think things are going to start becoming better, that you're out of the storm, no, not at all. It just keeps on going and going and going. Here's the thing about our minds.